promise
do solemnly promise
to always try my very best
always try my very best
to practice the good habits
to practice the good habits
and attitudes I learned
and attitudes I learned
while I was a kiddie crew
while I was in the
at McDonald's. I will strive to be diligent,
I will strive to be diligent,
responsible,
responsible,
respectful,
respectful,
friendly,
friendly,
and most of all,
and most of all,
I will try to be happy all the time.
I will try to be happy all the time,
Always with a smile on my face,
always with a smile on my face,
saying love ko to,
saying love ko to,
love ko to,
love ko to,
love ko to. McDonald's Kitty Crew! And as we all say forever, I want everybody to hold on your caps and we will throw it up in the air as we all say forever. 3, 2, 1, Congratulations, everyone! Yay! Confetti! Yay! You are now a official member of the McDonald's Kitty Crew Batch 2014. Yay! And you know what? We're not yet finished. This is the time for us to sing the McDonald's Kitty Crew anthem. Make things happen. All right? So Kitty Crew, let's all sing the Kitty Crew anthem. Make things happen. Come on, everyone. Sing it with all your heart and as loud as you can.